Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, in here I wanna present you all about my portfolio that I make from at 9th grade, and in this portfolio I wanna present all of you my project that I made it since 7th grade from the start when I come in the Aiden boarding school for the first time and until the final 9th grade. But the first one, so this is the list of the content. The first one is the introduction. The second is game project. The third is IoT project. The fourth is Android project. The fifth is Dinia project. Six, curriculum vitae website project. Seven, eight, multimedia project. Nine, English project, and the final or 10, experience and achievement that I achieved at IDN boarding school. So my name, in this introduction, I want to tell you guys about my name. Hello, my name is Rahman Azaki Halifi. I am a student from junior high school in Indian boarding school Jonggol. I'm from Bekasi and I live at Rapaninda. You know Rapaninda, it's a city between BKT and Sumarekon. And I wanna go to my dream university that is UIM, and I hope I will go to there and I work hard learning, inshallah. This the curriculum vitae, the experience that I met at Eden boarding school at teaching is the first SMP Al Ansor, the second SMP Lab School Unesa 1, the third Ponpes Gria Sunnah, and the fourth Sudite Manurani. There is my contact and my education from the 2015 until 2022. I'm at SD3 Manurani, and for the 2022 and until 2025, I'm in SMP Eden boarding school. My software skill at design is Figma and Canva. For the programming, Nestled, Flutter, and Podular, game, Scratch, and Buildbox. And that's the skill that I already grew up at the Edinburgh. So for the first game project is catching fruit. So catching fruit is a game that I create in Scratch, where there is a basket, must catch the fruit and avoid the beetle. And if you get or catch the fruit, will increase the point, and if you catch the beetle, will decrease the point. And this is my first time project that I made it at Indian boarding school when I was still 7th grade. And when the final, after I make this game, like I feel good. Then the second is the adab game. It's a game that teach us about the adab before sleep. Like you must pray and what you must do before your sleep, like take wudu or and others. The scratch game is Bomber Cat. It's a game with an attack theme where a cat throws and places bomb at its enemy, which is as a cat, which is a crab. This game is reference from Bomberman. So, if you know Bomberman game, this I take the reference from the project about Bomberman, and I made it and I remake and name Bombercat. Then next my semester 2 project in 7th grade, which is Buildbox, and the first is car game. It's a game on the Buildbox game platform where we drive a car while getting points that have been prepared on the road. If the car goes off the track, then it's considered a loss. If you see many of buildings and the road, nah, if you go outside the road, you will be. Then the second is crossing road. If you know crossing road game, the Android that before is ever popular in people. So I remake it at Dropbox at the second semester of 7th grade. And because if you don't know crossing road as the name suggests, I took a reference from the game. So a character will cross the road without having to be hit by object or something. Same as like the crossroad at the original application. Then the next, the website project, just this one, my personal website, and it's my first to make a website that I made it at 7th grade that I create. Yes, and this the website that I place all of my projects from the 7th grade until now. Then next to the IoT project, the first is this IoT project is a project that I do it at 8th grade from semester 1 until 2. Okay, the first one is remote control. Remote control is a robot that I made at 8th grade, as the name suggests we can control the robot movement using a device. So the device that I use with my friends when I made remote control is from a platform named Microbyte. Yes. Then the second is disaster alarm, same as the remote control. I made it at Microbit. Disaster alarm is a robot designed to detect various natural disasters such as earthquakes, tsunami, and so on. Then the third one is line follower. Line follower is a robot designed to follow a black line. This robot uses sensor to detect the black line. Several of my project that I made at Grade is using Microbit, Adafruit, or others, or Wakwi. This Wakwi. Then this the platform that I learned to at Grades name Wakwi. So like Smart Garden is an IoT to detect soil moisture for the fertility of plant that will be planted later. Then this the ada fruit one. Weather station is a detector for detecting change in weather, temperature, and so on. Then we next to multimedia project. Then for the first one is 3D UI landing page. Is a project where I create a landing page for a website and it's the theme about a landing page for a website to buy a house. And I made it at Figma and it's still at great. Yeah. Then the second is illustration. This project where I record the project I did on YouTube, namely making illustration. Then the third is merchandise poster. Merchandise poster is a poster that I made in Figma for a project that, and at that time I was looking for reference for this, and what happened was Cardinal. So actually merchandise project uh, is took from other merchandise such as like shirt and others, but I just got an idea and I just make the Air Jordan poster. Then the next is coloring UI UX. Is an assignment given by my teacher including a project modeling an application called Pitakwa. So there is an application named Pitakwa that there is some student that from Island Boarding School that make a Pitakwa, and then my teachers from 8th grade orders me and my friend to remodeling or coloring UI UX of what the Pitakwa. Then the next is 3D house design. Is an assignment too from my teacher, and I get orders from my teacher and my friend to build a house that is like smart house. There like automatic door open, automatic trash, and others. And I made it at Tinkercad. Then for the Android project, for the first one is name card app. This I learned the Codular, this platform that I make this app too. I learned it at 9th grade. So name card is application that I make at Codular and it's my first target. Yeah, first target that I made it at 9th grade with Codular. Then the second one is Radio Online. Radio Online is an app that we can listen to Murotal from other Sheikh or Hafiz. Usually radio is like music or other, but this radio we made it Murotal and Muslim podcast. Because of our uh, school that about Muslim and others, so we made a radio online app, but different like other radio that showing or playing some like music or others. But in this radio online, we change from music become like Murotal or others. Then next is Talk to Me app. Talk to Me app is an app that I make it with Codular. Sorry, I not yet to copy the text, but I made it too. Like Talk to Me is like uh, there is a AI from Google, so you can just type a text, and then if you press speak, you will must type it, and then when you press speak, the AI will talk. If the record one, you must record your sound self, and then the AI will follow it. Then the next one, I learned to about Android Studio, Flutter, and VS Code, and the first that I make is Bitakwa. So Bitakwa, beside because of an app, Bitakwa is like something about the VS Code and others. So we learned about it. It's my first application that I make in Flutter, and there is many of features that you can try, such as doa, zakat, salat, schedule, and many others. I hope you guys can try it on Google. Yeah, there is on Google Play. Then the zakat dashboard. I made it on Android Studio. Same as like the Bitaqwa, but this the features. So visual. When you wanna do zakat at most and you confuse what is the amount of the zakat you must give, you can use these features to calculate it. So for the English project, for the first one is conversation. This the project too that first time I made it at English at 7th grade. That I record. There is a Pakistan people named Muiz, and it's our friends before, and I help him to make a conversation in kitchen. Then the second is Tauhid explanation. Visited Tauhid explanation, I get ordered by my teachers. Then Rasulullah companion in here, all my friends and me get orders to present that Rasulullah companion, and I choose Bilal bin Rabah. Then the third is short movie that I make with my friends about stop bullying. Next is about student project plan. This I make at 9th grade. So in this presentation, I tell you guys about my study and project plan when I'm in future. So what I must go and others. And then for the Dinia project, the first one that I make at 7th grade is Akidah poster, and this I made at 7th grade and made it at Canva, and I still don't know about Figma. Then saya master English one, so kind of Tauhid same is the same project between of English and then this motion graphic that I made at Canva, and it has a movie people that I edit with sound of kajian. And then this Arabic conversation that I make at the dormitory lobby with Nazril, and I record it and I upload to YouTube. Then the last that I made it at 9th grade is become imam. This last Dinia project at 9th grade also with others of my friend that become imam. Then this is achievement that I get at from the start from the 7th grade until now. The first is solo learn certificate that I get at 8th grade when I do a platform, same as like skillful, and then you get score and then others, and after that at the final you will get a certificate. And then I learned about JavaScript in this. Then the second is best student at February 2025 about English, and this is the first time I get best student at the engineering school. Then the last is my experience that I made it at Eden boarding school, like is new. For the first is Edures. So Edures such event that me and my friends like go from Jonggol from Eden until Jakarta Kota Tua with money just 100,000 and electric money e-money with 30,000. So the total of it is 130, and we must do a plan how we go from Jonggol and to Jakarta with money. The total is 130,000 rupiah. And the second is teaching at Surabaya with my friends, and I teach at UNESA Lab School. If you know UNESA, Universitas Negeri Surabaya, is the location is at Surabaya, first name Surabaya. Then sorry the picture. Then the third is rock climbing. This is my first time and last that I met the event with my friends. Actually, there is the rock climbing is twice, but at the first I can join because my leg is hurt. This is my first time, but for my friends second time. Then OSIS, I get choose my teacher to get organization to school in school as a humas at OSIS SMP dan boarding school. Then class meeting is an event that all class is doing a competition to become a winner, make our friendship goals, and there is many list of the competition, and I choose what? MHQ or MTQ. Nah, okay, thank you for you all of guys that already watch my presentation, the portfolio from the start until the end for so long. Then, last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.